Hi, my name is Jeff Tollefson, and I'm here to share some exciting changes at the Minnesota High Tech Association, starting with our name. As of today, we'll no longer be known as the MHTA, but now the Minnesota Technology Association, MnTech for short, along with a brand new logo and a fresh new website to match. While our name changes, our mission and our values remain constant, as we remain committed to building a more vibrant, innovative, and inclusive tech ecosystem in the state of Minnesota. And we accomplish this mission by enabling the connections, the public policies, and programs that help make our tech community thrive. We hope you'll join us as we work together to build a stronger innovation economy in Minnesota. Learn more at mntech.org. Thank you.